Hi everyone, I'm Owen from Square Balloon, and today I'm going to show you how to create a database in cPanel. Your cPanel may look slightly different to this because I've got a different skin potentially. You can do it either by searching, so you can search for a wizard, so you can do MySQL database wizard, or you can scroll down and find it, which is here. First thing you need to do is create a database name. I personally just generate these names randomly because they don't really need to have any meaning. In fact, someone might be able to guess it if they did. And then you need a username. Again, I generate that randomly because I don't really want that to be obvious either. It might tell you that you can't have special characters or something like that. In that case, just remove them. It'll be easier, safer. And then the password, obviously, I generate randomly as well. And of course, I'm not going to keep it like that, so you guys can't hack me after all that advice. I can't create because it already exists. I find it hard to believe. Okay, so I must have clicked it twice by accident, I imagine. So now I've created a database, and that is as easy as it is. Now to see the database, you can search, or you can look for PHP MyAdmin. This time I use the search version. You always have information schema here. So this is my new database. As I just named it, I know what it's called anyway. No tables in it at the moment, but I'm going to add some now as part of the job I'm doing. But that shows you the quickest way to create a database in in cPanel. So now I guess I should show you, if I go back down to here and I look at MySQL databases. If you had ever forgotten to add the permissions or anything, you could always add a user to the database here, or you could add a user by picking one from here and choosing the database and pressing add, and at that point you get to choose all the privileges. Don't need to because I've done it correctly this time, but if you ever forgot to, you could do it that way. Next thing I need to do is change the password, because I've just shown you all my password and that's not a good idea. And here's where I would do that. I would just generate a new password. I'll show you it because I'm going to change it again anyway. Generate a password, stick it here, change password, and now I know my password. So if you ever forget your password and you need it for your database, it's a quick and easy way to change it. Alright, I hope that helps. If you enjoy my cPanel videos, please do subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.